Hey, what's going on YouTube? If you have a GTO and you ever wondered why, or excuse me, how to remove the covers off the engine, I'll just show you on this side. My other side is a little messed up. But basically, you can pull up on the back side of it toward the end and lift it up like such. All right, and then just pull it out. But basically what you have these 2 points. So on the front, you have these 2 hooks, okay? These 2 hooks, and they hook onto your fuel rail. All right, and then you use these points right here. They got 2 of these points that go into these right there. So if you ever wonder how to put or take those off, that is how you do both sides. One of mine is missing, but that's how you take it off, and then putting it back on is the opposite, of course. And make sure it's on there and put it back down. All right, well, hope you guys enjoyed, and like, comment, subscribe, and take it easy.